Hey guys, what's good? Hope y'all are doing well, and I wanted to make a quick video of something that I just realized I hadn't made a video of yet. This is my Rolex Datejust 41. So y'all know I had the Datejust 2, and I ended up trading that off a while ago, and I had a chance to acquire a Datejust 41, and I got it, and I really like it. Beautiful watch, and you can see some differences from my old Datejust 2. It's still stainless steel. It's still got the white gold fluted bezel, but it's on a Jubilee bracelet, and just a beautiful bracelet, really well made. You can see the perfect Rolex clasp, closes so cleanly, perfect click there. But yeah, just a really lovely watch, and one I'm thankful to have. Such a great watch. These Datejust, especially these larger ones, the Datejust 2, the Datejust 41, I think make a great daily driver. Let's set the time real quick. I'll check real quick on this whole thing here. Looks like it's just a little past, just almost 6. So, and I know the date is the 22nd, so let's figure that out. So we'll unscrew this, and then pull this out, and then let's quick set date, of course. So we'll go to the 21st, and then we will, so easy to set these. The crown works so well. So, yeah, okay. So, we'll go. Let's see whenever the date flips over. Maybe next time around, hopefully next time around. Easy to use, easy to set, just really well made. Typical Rolex quality, kind of to the next level. Here we go. Let's see how close to midnight it happens. Right at midnight. Yes, perfect. And so we said it was almost 6, so maybe like 5:55. So going around one time. Easy to set. Simple twin lock crown for 5, almost 6. Checking the trusty 127 fitty one more time. So kind of right there. Go in. We'll give it a couple of turns. Listen. Beautiful. Perfect action. Really well made twin lock crown. Easy to grip. Not a tiny little crown. It's the right size. And there you go. Let me put it on wrist real quick and we'll keep talking about it. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Such a beautiful day outside today, and I really wanted to take advantage of it. Let me take this Panerai off. This, by the way, is the 127 fitty, my Grail Panerai. The final Panerai for a lot of people. I'm really thankful to finally have gotten my hands on it. But this is just a typical mid-size 46 millimeter cased watch, and you can see that the 41 DJ41 really looks fine with it. So if you're worried about size of the Datejust, I mean, listen, compared to like another men's watch, it's really not that big, kind of subtle. Anyway, I'm going to put that old thing to the side. Be on the lookout for a video of the fitty coming up soon if you guys are interested. And let's put that Datejust on, and there it is. I'm into it. I mean, it just looks right. I mean, it looks really good. I really liked my Datejust 2, to be honest. It was a cool watch. I really like the proportions of that watch. That one had like a nice chunky bezel, so it almost felt like you got more white gold. You know what I mean? The bezel was much more prominent on this watch. On that watch, this one kind of takes the styling, takes the vibe back to like the original proportions of the Datejust, like the 36 millimeter models, but kind of enlarges it to a more contemporary size. Thoughts on the Jubilee versus the Oyster? I mean, both are great, obviously. Like both are great, and the Jubilee has such a beautiful drape on the wrist, very comfortable. The links are very small, so it's easy to get an exact size. Furthermore, this clasp has the easy link adjustment in it, and just typical Rolex quality. I've said it before, I'll say it again and again and again. You can knock Rolex for a lot of reasons, but you can't knock them for the quality of their bracelets and their attachments. It's just nobody is even close. Nobody's even close. And I'm talking about watches that I own and have owned from really high-end brands. Superior to Audemars Piguet. I said it. It needs to be said. Superior to like a Patek Philippe Nautilus. Omega is not even the same thing. And just, whatever German brand you're thinking of, not even close. Rolex makes the best bracelets. The Jubilee and the President bracelets are really kind of like the pinnacle of their design language. But yeah, there you see it on my wrist. I love it. I love the size. I love the legibility. You know, I really like these Datejust with this black dial with the lume markers, because it's kind of like a nice, combo of sporty, but still dressy, but still casual. And the combination of fluted bezel plus Jubilee bracelet is so kind of iconic, you know, kind of timeless. But you know, the nice thing about Datejust is they come in a lot of different dial colors and a lot of different like configurations. You can have smooth or fluted bezels. You can have oyster, or you can have Jubilee, or if you really want to, you can take that bracelet off and put it on a strap. So it really works. You know, if I had to give you some pointers, I would say if you're thinking about a Datejust, you got to think about the size first. You know, I'm a big fan of the Datejust 2, big fan of the Datejust 41, so I'm always going to say, hey, go with that contemporary size. They still make the 36. Obviously, that has a bunch of fans, but for me, I think the 41 or the Datejust 2 is the move. I would tell you that the fluted over the smooth is also the move. I think just the fluted bezel is just so iconic. The way it plays with the light, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous bezel. Just really well made, and really just exemplifies what Rolex does really well. You know, for a long time, even like the Holy Grail, the Platinum Day-Date, only came with a smooth bezel, but now they finally figured out a way to flute the Platinum, so even that one is fluted now. The bracelet quality is good, you know, typical Rolex quality, just awesome, awesome. On the secondary market, you're going to pay a little bit of a premium for fluted, of course. You're going to pay a little bit of a premium for Jubilee. That's just how it goes. This combo is probably around 12.5 to 13.5. You know, but if you want, you know, an oyster with a smooth bezel, kind of like a, you know, not a popular dial color, or not a desirable dial color, or like a less desirable dial color, you can get into one of those for under 10. I think that's a great deal. Anyway, listen, I'm rambling. I hope you like this quick look at the Rolex Datejust 41. I really like the watch. You know, it's something that is just so easy to wear. It's a great watch to travel with. Just comfortable, classy, and I think the size makes it contemporary, stylish, sporty, but also dressy, classy, and appropriate. Anyway, guys, hope y'all like this quick look at a really nice watch. Look out for more content in the near future soon. Okay, guys, take care. Bye. God bless.